Hey you, welcome to my new video. As I mentioned in my previous video of why vlogging now, I stated that there is a major shift coming in my life. So in this video, I'll be revealing that major shift. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it so that you can correlate what I'm talking about. The major shift that is coming in my life is that I am moving from my professional life to back again to my college life. I applied to few universities and I received the admits and few rejects. I'll be sharing that in this video. The admits that I received are the first one is University of Michigan, that is Ross Business School, Michigan, United States. Second one is Purdue University in Indiana, United States. Third one is University of Maryland, that is Smith School of Business, College Park, US. Fourth one is University of Pittsburgh, Katz Business School, Pennsylvania, US. The fifth one is University of Southern California, Marshall School of Business, Los Angeles, California, US. And the sixth one is IIM Bangalore, Bangalore, India. I received one reject, that is from Duke Fuqua School of Business in North Carolina, US. These are my admits and rejects. I would like to say that it doesn't matter at all from where you have done your schooling or from where you did your bachelor's. It really doesn't matter at all, because after looking at my admits, I was pretty sure that the thing that matters the most is your confidence, is your way to present yourself, your way to market yourself. So if you are able to market yourself very well in the interviews, then you are given an admit. I received scholarship in all of the universities that I have received the admits from, except IIM Bangalore and University of Maryland. So I would say that if you have not done bachelor's from a very good college, or I would clearly state as IIT, it is okay. Like in India, there is so much of pressure on students like aged 15-16 years of their age that you have to get into an IIT. Otherwise, you are not good enough for a job, or you are not good enough, like you are not a good engineer. But it doesn't matter. Seriously, it doesn't matter. The universities from which I received the admits, in these universities, IIT students also study there. So it doesn't make a difference at the end, whether you have studied from an IIT or whether you have studied from a normal college. In India, we have one place called Kota in Rajasthan. That is the coaching hub of India, and it is said that Kota produces the brightest minds of India. So that is why it is named as Kota Factory, and it is rightly said Kota Factory, and I am a product of Kota Factory. But the product those are coming out of Kota Factory are not all happy products. Few of them didn't reach to the position for which they expected, like getting into an IIT, but they settled down with a normal government college or a private college. I went to Kota for 3 years. I stayed in Kota for 3 years, and it is rightly said that you can get out of Kota, but Kota doesn't get out of you, and that is true. For at least 7 to 8 years, Kota doesn't get out of you. The thing that Kota taught me is to survive criticism, how to handle criticism. Since my schooling till my classes before I went to Kota, I was among the top 5 in my class, always. So I had that habit of listening that I am a topper. But when I went to Kota, I was in the last 5 batches of the coaching institutions, and that really hit me hard, because I didn't expect, because when you are in a school, like limited number of people, you think that you are the king or queen, but when you compete with whole bunch of intelligent students, you get to know your range. I knew myself that my range is not that low. At 15 years of age, going to Kota all by myself, handling situation all by myself. Like, yeah, parents used to come and go every month. They used to struggle a lot for us, but at the end we have to study there. There are tips and tricks which I didn't follow. That's why I didn't get an IIT, but it is okay. At that time I stressed a lot on it, because after getting into my college, that was a government college in Madhya Pradesh, India, that is MITS Gwalior. After getting into that college, I used to hear from so many people that, oh, you have been to Kota for 3 years. If I have been at your place, I would have reached that IIT. I have been studying in that IIT or that NIT. So yes, you already feel dull. You already feel like a loser, and people say such things and remind you always that yes, you are a loser. You went to Kota, such a famous place for coaching, and you didn't crack IIT. Oh, what a fool you are. It's that sort of thing. Hearing this thing at the age of like after 21 or 22, you are matured, you get to understand that. But at the age of 17, 18, you get to hear this, you start feeling that what I have done with my life. I'm not like this. I have been topper of my class throughout my schooling, and now suddenly what happened to me? So I would say never give up. Never ever give up. If you think you can, you definitely can. Because certain period of time like 6 years or 8 years cannot define your personality. That is not your personality. If you are capable, you will get the top-notch admits. Always be grateful for your low times, because the times that are full of struggles teach you, and always be grateful whenever you are at your high times, because being grateful is the only thing that we can do, whether be it our bad days or good days. You have to be grateful, and I am grateful to each one of you whom I have met accidentally or by purpose. Those who have interacted with me, those who have met me, I am grateful to each one of you. I just can't recall all the names, but each one of you have played a very big role in the position that I am today. I have received the admits from the top-notch institutions of the world. University of Michigan Ross Business School is one of the top 20 management institutions of the world. I'm not talking about any specific country. In the whole world, it comes under top 20. And IIM Bangalore, everyone knows that what the ranking it holds in India. So thank you to each one of you. Now you have come across the reason why I mentioned in my previous video that there is a major shift coming in my life. So I'll be making a series of videos, and I'll be publishing it once a week. That is, I'll be publishing one video every Friday. I hope you will subscribe it. Don't forget to share my videos if anyone needs it. See you in my next video. Bye. Take care.